Good morning, dear students. You are watching EduStar Class 5 Science. Dear students, we have completed review program for 3 lessons. Most of you have completed, right? Very good, children. Glad for you, dears. Today, we are going to learn lesson 4 Nervous System Part 1. Are you ready, dears? What is nervous system? The nervous system is responsible for coordinating the actions and the transmission of sensory information to different parts of our body. We are going to see the types of nerves, spinal cord and its parts and the sense organs also. Before that, we will see some critical thinking activities. Shall we do, dears? Critical thinking situation number 1. Now it's night time. You are entering into a dark room to take your color pencil box. While entering into the room, you are feeling scared because no light inside that room. You have entered into a dark room and noticed ghostly shadow outside the window pane. How do you feel now? Filled with fear, you rush to switch on the light, isn't it? You see that they are just some clouds fluttering in the breeze. You will laugh at yourself, isn't it? Students, think about all the activities that you have just done. Walking into the room, seeing ghost, feeling scared and then laughing at yourself happen under the control of the nervous system. Is it clear, children? Critical thinking situation number 2. Unknowingly you have touched fire. What will you do? You will take your hand immediately, right? How you are moving your hand backside in this situation? Because of the nervous system. Is it clear, children? The body communication system is based on the nervous system only. Screaming, laughing, rushing to switch on the light, etc. Here the director of our activities is our nervous system. Is it clear, children? In any group, one or a few persons take all the decisions for the entire group. Think about your family. In your family, it is your parents, isn't it? In a company, it is the director. And in our body, it is the nervous system. Can you understand yours? The nervous system only decides when some of our body functions to be done. To take some decisions, the nervous system gets information from all the body parts. It puts the information together, decides what is to be done and then sends directions to the body parts for the actions to be taken. Students, now we are going to see the 3 main parts of the nervous system. What are they? Nerves or neurons, spinal cord and brain. Now I am going to explain about nerves. What are nerves? Nerves are a collection of neurons which are the individual nerve cells. Nerves are cord-like structures whose primary role is to provide a pathway to conduct electrical impulses throughout the body. It essentially relays information from one part of the body to another part of the body. Nerves are spread throughout the body. Nerves carry messages between the brain and the different parts of the body like telephone wires. Students, can you understand? Nerves are carrying messages between the brain and the different parts of the body like telephone wires. A typical nerve is made up of a bundle of fibers which are wrapped around layers of tissue and fat and they stretch throughout the body. There are 3 types of nerves in the human body which are classified based on the functions. These are motor nerves, sensory nerves and mixed nerves. Now we are going to see about motor nerves. Some nerves carry messages from the brain to the different parts of the body. Motor nerves are those nerves that carry the messages in the form of a response from the brain or the spinal cord to other parts of the body, such as the muscles and glands. Motor nerves transmit the messages from the brain or the spinal cord to the parts of the body, such as muscles and glands. Can you understand? Next, sensory nerves. Already you know about the 5 senses: touch, smelling, vision, hearing and tasting. Some nerves carry messages from the sense organs such as eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin to the brain. These are the nerves that send messages to the brain or the spinal cord from the sense organs. What are the sense organs? Very good, dears. These are the nerves that send messages to the brain or the spinal cord from the sense organs. These are enclosed in the form of a bundle-like structures in the nervous system. Sensory nerves are the nerves responsible for sending messages to the brain or the spinal cord from the sense organs. The next type of nerve is mixed nerves. Mixed nerves are the nerves that perform both the actions of sensory nerves as well as a motor nerve. A mixed nerve is a type of nerve that performs the action of sensory nerves as well as the motor nerves. They transform electrical impulses from the central nervous system to the muscles of the body. Students, have you understood about what are nerves and the 3 types of nerves also? Okay, dears, very good. Next we are going to see about spinal cord. Already we have learnt about the spinal cord in the last lesson, isn't it? What did you learn? Just recall it. Yes, dears, spine or our backbone protects our spinal cord. Right. What is spinal cord? Let me explain about that. The spinal cord is a bunch of nerves or neurons that connects the brain with the rest of the body. It is as thick as our little finger. It begins at the neck region and continues down to the lower end of our backbone. All of you look at this picture. The spinal cord, it starts from the neck area and ends with the lower end of our backbone. It is protected by the vertebral column. It is the main link between the brain and other parts of the body. Students, have you understood? Okay, dears. Students, now we can write the classwork for this lesson. All of you take your science classwork notebook and start to write lesson 4, nervous system. Don't forget to write today's date. Then write neatly the following. First, you have to write the heading, what is nervous system. Use black pen to write the heading. Next, write the 3 types of nerves. Write as it is in the next slide also. For 3 types of nerves, refer page number 30 and write about the 3 types of nerves and spinal cord also. Dear children, write neatly, read the lesson properly. Thank you children. We will meet in our next video session.